Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Okay, this is more work that I've done to this Jack 130. And I just wanted to show you guys the workflow that I've done. I'm going to make another video next week, and it will be me finishing this jet out for you guys. As you can see from the last video, I went ahead and extruded this, not extruded, but made this bottom part longer and did the part back here. So I'll turn on the canvas here. And as you can see, what I was doing, now I just have to make this intake, and that's not hard to do. The hardest part for me was trying to figure out how I was going to do this area right here and integrate it with the intake here. But since I did this area right here, now it came to me how simple that is to do that. And I'm going to let's see here. I'm going to do the shape here, up here, front, and put this right up here. And then I'm going to put the second shape of this back here and match the size of it to this here, and then loft it forward and then rotate slightly. And that'll give me that front shape that I need for that intake, to get that front intake like I need it. And the back area here is quite simple to do too. What I do here is just take this shape here, sketch it, then I'm going to make it smaller. So when you're looking at this from the top, let's say I want it from here to here, this offset here, the distance is going to be offset from here. So this would be drawn around here like this on the inside to make it smaller. Then I'll put that back there, and then I will loft from there to that new former, and then the former in the back. And I'll do the same thing for the back as well, and use this shape here. Now, what I'm going to have to do is just use the shape here to get it all the way back, same thing like I'm going to do from the top to do that as well, to get that shape, and then just cut this out. And pretty much that'll be it, how this jet is modeled. And like I said, this is probably the easiest and most in my opinion, probably one of the best ways to surface model this jet. It's not hard or anything like that. It just takes some thinking about how you're going to do it. And some areas right here, I just have to clean these areas up here. They turn these canvases off. Like this right here, I just have to clean this area up, pull this back a little, and get everything lined up. And same thing up here, get everything all lined up so it's nice and smooth, and that's a nice shape to it. And just like the front here, as you can see, this is not completely round on the top. So what I have to do is put a tangent on the top of these to get this to go right across here. It's a tangent, which is not hard to do either. But I'll be showing you guys more on this. I'm going to put another video out next week on this and finishing this jet up and for you guys. And let's see here. And like I said, this stuff right here, these areas, I just have to go back and get these the lines and the dots all lined up so everything looks smooth like this is, you know, like how this integrates in here like that. That's what I want everything to be like that. And so I have to do that. And then I just have to do the, let's see, the horizontal stabs. The horizontal stabs back here. And those horizontal stabs are done just like the wings. No big deal about that. And what else here? Yeah. So if you guys are Patreons of mine, you can get the files for this and do with them what you want. So yeah, as you can see, this is looking really good though. And like I said, this is one of my favorite jets here. I always like the looks of this jet. And yeah, but actually it's turning out better than I thought. Sometimes I'll model something 2 or 3 times or more to get the shapes correct, but this one actually turned out pretty good right from the start. So now, like I said, I'll have to just go back and just straighten some things up on it. And for those of you, like I said, I told you guys how to go about finishing this model out if you don't want to wait till next week for me to do this. Once again, like the top up here, like I said, you're going to take this shape here, or this shape, it's the same across here. This here and this here is the same at the top. And you just want to match it up, the distance, this top here, back through here. And like I said, don't worry about this area right here because you're not going to use it. The vertical fin is already there. So you're just going to draw a line, round this off here, or if you're using this one, round this off and put that one down in there. And the same thing with this back here, or this one here. You're going to put this here, and then the bottom, you're going to draw a line through here on the bottom, and you're going to put a smaller one back here and not extrude, but loft that up there. And then we're going to put another smaller one just straight across. You're going to have to extrapolate and think about how you're going to do this, and then loft the rest of this. It's not hard to do once you really sit and think about it. It's quite simple. But yeah, but like I said, this is the what I've got now. And next week I'll be showing you guys how to finish this thing out. But this is actually turning out pretty good. A lot better than I had thought. I thought I'd be modeling this, doing several renditions of it and everything. But to be honest, this is my first rendition of it. I did it once, and well, not the whole thing. I just showed you guys how I got to this point, and that was it. And so yeah. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like my videos and me showing you guys how to do this kind of stuff. Also, if you like my videos, hit that like button as well. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment down there. But yeah, but like I said, this is probably the best way to surface model this Yak 130. And I invite you guys to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. And yeah, hope you guys have been enjoying this video and my previous video on how I'm modeling this Yak 130. And so yeah, and hope you guys have a good rest of your week. And I'll catch you in the next videos. Oh, I forgot to say my Patreon site and my Facebook group, they're both are called CAD Build Fly RC, and the link will be down in the description as well. So we'll catch you in the next video.
Subscribe for more.